See, this judgment is actually a good judgment in my opinion, because the trial court has completely gone wrong when it ordered acquittal of this accused. There was so much of evidence that was there on record. This situation and the event that took place and the facts were proved beyond reasonable doubt. Despite that, the trial court had acquitted on some surmises about the character of the victim. In fact, in the entire judgment of the trial court, there was a character assassination of the victim. The victim was treated as if she is a accused. That was the treatment given to the victim, and we were really shocked with the judgment. And this judgment of the High Court today has come as a solace for that victim, and it was a judgment which is passed based on justice and the evidence that is there on record. As a state, we are very happy that we have been able to give justice to one girl who was victimized by her own employer. Not only that, the accused was a fatherly figure. The accused was the friend of the father of the victim. Despite that, he indulged into this incident. Not only that, it was repeated twice. Once it happened on the earlier day, and the second day also the same incident was repeated. And despite there being clear evidence on the record, there were letters where this fact was admitted by the accused, where he expressed his apology. There were 2 emails. Despite that, the trial court judge, then additional session judge, acquitted the accused on some surmises, and in the judgment, the law is otherwise you should not disclose the name of the accused. The name of the victim. In the judgment, the name was disclosed. So I don't know what type of judgment it was. I will have to see the observations made by the High Court on that judgment. That judgment was completely wrong. Today I feel that justice has been done, and I am happy that the state has been able to provide a justice for a victim girl who was victimized not only by the accused, but she was also victimized during the trial. The cross-examination that was conducted in the nature of literally abusing her by words, what type of questions were asked, which are not permitted in law, and the court permitted asking of those questions. It was as if that a victim of a rape is liable to be defamed in the court and shamed like this in the court. That was what happened in this particular case. So therefore, I am very happy today. Justice has been done finally. Out of the investigation was thoroughly done. Our PPs also worked really hard. The evidence that was brought on record, I had an entire team. I thank the trial court lawyers, our PPs who conducted the trial. I also thank the investigation team, entire investigation team, especially Sunita Sawant, who was investigating officer. She had done a wonderful job. And at the High Court level also, we had a complete team who was looking after this matter. They really worked. They worked day and night for this matter. And we also thank the learned Solicitor General who argued this matter, Mr. Tushar Mehta. So thanks goes to everybody. And we thank the government also, government officers who were pursuing this matter and who were assisting us in pursuing this matter.
So thanks. How many demand on the Saja?
The court has heard the accused on the quantum of sentence, and court will pass the judgment as to how much sentence which has to be imposed, and that is fixed at 2:30 today for orders.